Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this cordless cyclone vacuum cleaner from Silvercrest. Used as a handheld or upright vacuum cleaner, it is a basic model with EPA filter 10, modern cycloning technology for bagless vacuuming, cordless, practical and versatile, quick to remove suction tube for easy handheld use. Eco, it works 45 minutes on Eco mode and on a turbo mode 25 minutes. Of course I will test that. 22.2 volt 2500 mAh battery, no power cord, you need only to charge the battery with a 3-year warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Included we have the power adapter, output 26 volt 0.45 amp, 11.7 watts power consumption, with a cable 1.5 meters. To charge this battery, we have a removable battery. Press this button and you can remove the battery. You can charge the battery with a cable directly. You need to have the battery at the vacuum. 22.2 volt, 2500 mAh. Lightweight. So let's plug it in. And here it is the connection for the power cord. We have obviously and the base. There's the base. You can have the base at the wall with 4 screws included at the box. And you need to install the cable here at this position. Just press and then rotate and it will lock. You have the base at the wall like that, and then the vacuum is sliding here and it locks. Nice. And then you can plug it in and charge your vacuum. And it's charging. We have 4 level indicators. It is empty, the battery. Okay. Now let's see one by one what accessories we have at the box. We have the suction pipe. It is metal, this area, plastic. The contacts, electric contacts here, because it gives power at the floor brass. There's the floor brass, adjustable left and right, up and down, spiral hose, wheels, 2 large wheels, soft. I like that. They have silicone rubber. Another 2 small wheels at the front. You can unlock with this button and then remove this plastic, and of course you can remove and the head brass, there it is, and clean it. It is rotatable. Electric contacts here, it gives power at the motor and rotates the brass. Very easy to install. Again, press and it locks. Then installing this plastic, press and it locks and rotates. Transparent at the front, black, silicone pads around here. Definitely when you are vacuuming it will crash at any furniture at the front. It is so soft, so with this material at the front it will not damage your furniture. Soft material in here, nice, I like that. Unlock button, press to unlock the tube. So we have the tube, the electric contacts, alignment, press and it will lock, unlock, so easy. Next we have the other accessories. Gravis nozzle, the same, because this is a 2-in-1 vacuum cordless cleaner. You can install directly if you want at this position all the accessories, or with a tube. The 2-in-1 combination brush, press the button, without the brush, it locks, press again, you can remove that, or with a brush, and again you can connect that directly in front of the vacuum, or at the tube. And next we have the round brush nozzle with a brush attachment. You can remove that. Connection here, or at the tube. And there is the 4 screws for the base. Accessories holder. You can have all the accessories here. Nice. I like it. And it locks. Nice. To remove, just press the button and remove. I like that. So definitely you can have all these accessories here at the tube, and they will not fall down accidentally when you are vacuuming. Nice. I like when a vacuum gives you so many options and use this vacuum. And if that is suitable for you, you can directly connect the rotary brush without the tube. Maybe you want to clean your car. Now, at the main unit, it's still charging. We have the 2 buttons on off, the eco and the boost. Let's remove just to see. Eco, boost. And off. We can see on the LED indicators. And for the battery level. Let's install again to charge these units. I need to have a fully charged battery to test this vacuum. Now to remove the container, here we can see the lock and unlock. Just rotate. And there you have it. Remove it. You can pull that, and inside we have the stainless steel filter. I like that. Cycloning power, we can see this plastic. Silicone rubber here, around, it is very soft. Here at the front, plastic. And you can remove the filter. EPA filter. You can clean it, wash it, silicone rubber here. It is very hard to remove, it fits perfect. I like it. And we have in the container, 600 ml, it is the dust container, on a transparent color, not 100% transparent. And of course you can press on this button, remove the front lid and empty the container. Silicone rubber around, it will seal very well inside all the dust. And here we have the inlet, silicone rubber. Nice, good quality materials for the container. We can see, and here Max it says. Unit to alignment, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4 gaps. There it is. And it will fit perfect the stainless steel filter at the container. Here it is the motor, the outlet for the dust to the inlet at the container. You can use it with one hand. Plastic, black and gray areas. I like that you can remove the battery and replace the battery, because after a few years maybe you need to replace the battery. I don't like that you need to charge the battery at the unit. I hope there was a plug at the battery and charge it directly. Maybe you have a second battery and do that, charge the second battery. But that is a very small issue. I don't mind so much. So I think the next step it is to wait until it will fully charge and start my test. To fully charge the battery it needs from 0% to 100% 6 hours. That is too long for me. The right time I think it is about 4 hours. 6 hours it is too much. But it is what it is, let's wait. Now I have some stuff on the floor from my kitchen. I will start with the eco mode. I like the results. Once again with the eco mode. And now the boost. Wow, the results are amazing. I just love it. And now on a thick carpet, starting with the eco mode. And boost. With the boost mode, definitely it will clean better the carpet. Now let's empty in the container, rotate, unlock. It is very clean. Press this button and there we have everything. Of course you can pull in that and clean it, wash it, it is your choice. Nice. You can blow air and clean it with air. Usually I'm doing that with air compressor. I'm cleaning all my vacuums. And there it is, clean it very well. Install. and it locks. And on a very thick carpet, that will be hard to clean. First with the eco mode. And turbo mode. That type of carpets are very hard to clean. But I think in the end has done very well. And of course you can remove the tube and use only the rotation brass. Or you can use some other attachments. Strong suction power. Definitely this vacuum can clean at any surface without any problem. On a thin or thick carpet, on the wood floor it will not damage the surface. You can clean your sofa, in a tight area, your furniture with a soft brush, keyboard, so many areas. You can use it to clean your car because it works with a battery. It is a portable vacuum cleaner and it can go anywhere you want. After finishing my test, the battery has lasted about 25 to 30 minutes when fully charged. You can buy this vacuum and have it at your home with 90 euros. It is a good vacuum, I like it, has managed to do the job very well. I hope the battery will last long enough. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.